Yeah.
Everybody, this is Sean with Charity Makeover, and I am here today with Wakyu and Padi of the DIY Foundation. And what do you guys, can you just quickly tell our potential volunteers what you guys are doing?
Okay, so basically we are doing digital skill set teaching. So we are focused on tech education, where we give free classes to young generation or to the youth who are really passionate about learning tech. And we are giving various tech classes such as web development, video making, game development, graphic design, digital marketing, and mostly about digital skills. And what we need now is we need more volunteers, especially from abroad, so our students can practice their English. At the same time, they can learn about technical skills as well from the volunteers or from the mentors.
Yeah, and the larger problem that you're addressing, though, as we were talking before, is that places like Bali are entirely too dependent on tourism, and you're trying to help kind of diversify that and get the next generation of youngsters to be able to be more like self-sustaining on tech jobs and other ways of earning income, right?
Yeah, I myself, I'm from Bali. I was born in Bali, in Denpasar. The problem that I have been witnessing since young generation, most of the youth, they are very focused on tourism sector. They really sold out to tourism sector. So what we are trying to do is that we would like to diversify the economy, especially the economy of Bali, to less depend on tourism. So we would like to basically enhance more the technology sector in Bali. And I think technology is needed in any sector. So if we have more tech talents, they can basically plug into different businesses, different sectors. So basically to diversify or to less depend on tourism is actually good for long-term, for Bali long-term economy, I would say.
Sure, I agree with you. So what is your greatest challenge right now with this project?
So the greatest challenge is that how to basically make these tech sectors is sexy enough for the young generation, especially in Bali. Because what we have done test before was that we tried to do we have tried to launch the workshop in Bali, and people showed up less than 10 people. And when we did the same workshop in Jogja, people showed up like almost 50 people. So it is showing us that still the youth in Bali for them. So the challenge is that how to basically recruit more students, more young people in Bali to build their interest in technology development, and they can learn they can learn with us in our foundation.
Yeah, so you have a unique challenge. There's another one that we're helping that has something similar in terms of you have a market that doesn't know they need what you're providing. And so we have to do some type of awareness campaign to, to not just educate, but to inspire the market in Bali, the young kids to be able to want to do what you're doing and realize that, hey, we're addicted to tourism. If any kind of catastrophe happens that depletes tourism in Bali, we're all kind of out of luck. So we need to get creative around some type of awareness campaign there. And I think you had another challenge. Remind me, what was the other? I think there was something else we were talking about doing, because you have a for-profit, right? If we can get the for-profit sustainable enough, then that subsidizes your nonprofit.
Yeah. So our challenge is, of course, as any other nonprofit organization, is always about fundraising. So right now, what we do, we are still always and will be always fundraising. And on the side also, we keep doing our services to clients. So we offer services to clients. So basically, the graduates from our classes who used to be our students now become our sort of like talents that work for gigs given by our international programs for especially students coming from the Western world or from the first world countries. countries, where they learn about digital skills, or they learn about entrepreneurship on tropical island like Bali, on paradise, and at the same time, they're knowing that what they pay for is actually to subsidize land development center. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm just showing for the people watching, like this is the website. Can you talk, you guys already had some success, right? You had half your, you did a first batch and you had half those students that are now employed via this project. So you've actually had a huge win there.
Yeah. So we have finished our first batch. I think 2 months ago, right? December. Yeah, on December at the end of this at the end of 2019, and 50% of our students are working with us now currently in our foundation, and some of them they got job at digital agency and software house or software development agency. Actually now on the second batch, we would like to diversify our classes. We would like to be more niche focused. So we will launch coding for kids. So basically, we will teach kids about the logic of programming or behind the programming. And we have also game development class. We have Android development class. We have focus and more niche web development class. So we divided into different classes such as WordPress, back end, front end class. So these are the classes that we are about to launch next month.
Cool. All right. Well, so to me, what I'm hearing is the most, like the best things we can do is help your for-profit arm become more profitable. Like, so drive sales of that. So then that will then subsidize this and give you guys some cash to work with. And then also help with an awareness campaign to the potential market in Bali to actually get them invested in this concept. So I think if we can do those two things for you, that would be a huge win. So if you're listening, if you're volunteer with any kind of PR skills, experience conducting a public outreach campaign and educating and inspiring a market, that would be super useful. And then also just getting like whatever we need marketing wise to put some firepower behind your for-profit arm. Cool. All right, guys. Well, thank you for your time. Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
and if
much.
you're watching, go to charitymakeover.org and sign up. Hit the Get Involved button, and we'll see you soon. All right. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate it.